Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ubin Academy Tricks and Logics. In this video, I am going to cover round off, that is estimation values. Okay. Then in this round of estimation, in this round of an estimation, you should remember the keyword next and no change. Okay, this is very important. Then we're going to say in this session we're going to cover nearest 10, hundreds and thousand. Okay, so you should know when to use the next keyword and when to use the no change keyword. Okay, nearest 10 means check ones place. Okay, you already know from the right, it's ones, this is tens, and this is 100, and this is 1000, and this is 10,000. The lakh, 10 lakh, it will go on from right to left. It will move from ones to the next till lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, crore. Then first we are going to convert nearest 10. That is check ones place. Okay, for the tens, nearest, converting to nearest 10 means you have to check the ones place. Then when converting hundreds, nearest 100 means you have to check tens place. Okay, okay, what will be in the tens place? The next nearest 1000 means you have to check with the hundreds place. So once you completing the hundreds place, put other in places tens or next places means put filled with zeros. Okay, the next one is next and no change. Okay, if it is in ones place means you have to go into check with the only one value. So that is in the number line you have to check with the middle value is 5. Okay, based on the comparison with 5 only, the everything gets changed. Okay, in nearest tens or hundreds or thousands, whatever it is, the mid value play the important role. Okay, there is here it is, if it is greater than 5 means you will move to the next, you will put the next value. Okay, if there is less than 5 means then there is no change. Okay, in the tens place. The next in tens place, nearest 100 means it's greater than 50 or less than 50. For example, if it is from 1 to 100, check for 1 to 100, the mid value is 50. Okay, based on the mid value everything gets changed. Okay, the nearest 1000, nearest 1000 means check hundreds place. Hundreds place means okay, here 1 to 1000, you have to check till 1 to 1000. Here 500 is the middle value. Then in this thousands, nearest 1000, in estimation you have to compare less than 1000 and less than 500 and greater than 500. Okay, based on this comparison, if it is less than 500 means then there is no change in this thousands place. Okay, if it is more than 500, okay, the value should be, if more than 500 means you have to move to the next value. Okay, change to the next successor. Okay, let's see some example problems based on this round of estimations nearest 10, hundreds and thousands. Okay, so let's see the first problem. It's nearest 10. Okay, I have given 3 problems based on each conversions. Okay, nearest 10 and nearest 100, 3 problems, and nearest 1000, 4 problems as examples. Okay, so in this 56 means this is ones place and this is tens place. Okay, what is the condition in tens place? In nearest to 10 means you have to check the ones place. Okay, check whether if it is greater than 5 or less than 5. Okay, here it is greater than 5. If it is greater than 5 means it's moved to the next value, that is 6, and you have to fill with zeros. So this is the condition. Okay, once you completed the nearest conversions, then the next values, then the next successive values will be filled with zeros. Okay, then here also ones, and this is tens place. Okay, here the ones place is 3, that is less than 5. That is less than 5. Less than 5 means no change in the tens place. Okay, you have to put the tens place as it is, then fill with 0 in the next places. Okay, rounding off means usually it will be 150 rupees means 120 rupees means, but we will round off to the 100. Okay, that is the nearest estimated value, approximation. Okay, it is called approximation. The next one is, this is ones and this is tens. Okay, 0 to 5, anyhow it is 0 to 5, 1 to 5 means what? There is no change in the value, how to put 40 as it is. Okay, the next nearest 100. Nearest 100, we are going to check with the hundreds place. tens place, okay, and you converting the hundreds place, okay, in terms of the changes in the greater than 50 or less than 50, okay. This is ones and this is tens place and this is hundreds place, okay. Now we check with the tens place. Tens place you have to take the whole, okay, whatever it is, greater than 50 or less than 50. If it is greater than 50, greater than 50 means what? The next value will be change in the hundreds place. If there is less than 50 means what? The hundred place will be as it is. There is no change in the hundreds place. Let me check. 58. 58 means what? It is greater than 50. Okay. So then there will be a change. Okay. If it is greater than 50 means what? Next value. That is 4. Next value for 3 is what? 4. So 400. I have to fill with zeros in the next places. Okay. Next to 2 digits. The next one. Here four digits are there. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Because already T is there, so you put TH here. Okay. So this is also nearest 100 only. So don't bother about the thousands place. Okay. We are going to change the hundreds place in terms of tens place. Okay. Check the tens place. Only you have to check the tens place. It is 46. Okay. That is 4. 4 means less than 5. Okay. So 46 is less than 50. If it is less than 50 means what? There is no change in the hundreds place and you have to fill with zeros in the next two digits. That is 7 will be as it is. The changes will be happen in the hundreds place only because it is nearest 100. So don't go with the thousands place. Don't confuse with the thousands. It is 3 because it is 56 only. 46 only, less than 50. 0, 0. Okay, you have to fill with zeros in the next digits. Then it is 285. Okay, it is nearest 100. Check with tens place. If the tens place is greater than 50, next value less than 50, then no change in the hundreds place. Okay, so here the tens place is what? Greater than 5. That is greater than 85 is greater than 50. Okay, then you have to change the value to next successor. 2 means the next one is the next to 2 is what? 3. 3 and fill with zeros. Then when it comes to nearest to 1000, you have to check with 1 to 1000 ranges. Okay, there is 1 here, 1000 here. You have to, the mid value is 500. So ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, here you have to check with the thousands value in terms of hundreds place. That is the, if it is less than 500, then there is no change in the thousands place. If it is greater than 500, there will be a change. That is that you have to change to next value. Okay, for example, here it is 582. That is greater than 500. So the thousand place will move to the next value. Then you have to fill with zeros. Okay, the keyword is fill with zeros. Then the next and no change, the keyword is very important. And you should know which is the mid value and when to place the mid values and when to fill the zeros. Okay, then 560, only 3 digit is here. Okay, 0, 1s, 10s and hundreds. There is no thousands place. Okay, that's not a problem. Okay, but it is greater than 500. See, it is greater than 500 means what? What is the next value? Okay, 500 means 1000. The greatest value is 1000. So beginning is 1 to 1000. Okay, even it is 0, you can take the 0 also is possible. Okay, it's 1000. The next one is 346. 346 less than 500. So put 0 here. Okay, there will be no changes. Okay, there will be no changes in the initial sections. Okay, if it is less than 500 means there is no value, so put 0 beginning value. The next here 234. Okay, it's ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So this is 234. 234 is what? Less than 500. Less than 500. Then there is no change in the beginning value. Yeah, that is the thousands place. So put 7 as it is, then fill with 0. 3 digits are there, hundreds, thousand, hundreds, tens and zeros. Okay, ones. Okay, hundreds, tens and ones. So you have to fill with zeros.
If anybody have doubt, ask in comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.